So welcome to our channel. In this lesson, I want us to do a titration practical, which is usually tested in chemistry practical, and usually it forms question 1. Here we have some of the solutions. This is a phenolphthalein indicator with a dropper there. This is solution E, which is hydrochloric acid. We don't know the molarity. And this is solution G, which is sodium hydroxide. It has a molarity of 0.2. So, and here we have a conical flask. This is a pipette, as you can see. A pipette measures 25 ml. And here we have a burette, which usually measures 50 ml. It usually runs from 0 to 50 ml. And here we have a complete stand, which will be used to hold the burette. Now, the aim of this practical is to determine the concentration of solution E, which is hydrochloric acid, in moles per liter. So here we have some students who will be performing the practical for us. So the procedure, number 1, fill the burette with solution E. So we are going to fill the burette with solution E. So this is solution E, which is hydrochloric acid. So we fill it in the burette. So you have to fill the burette just above the 0 meniscus, and then you adjust so that it comes at the lower meniscus of 0. So that is the lower meniscus of 0. From there now, the second procedure, we pipette solution G. You can use the mouth when that solution is not toxic, but if the solution is toxic, you have to use a pipette filler. So you pipette just above the meniscus, and then you adjust. So that is now at the meniscus. So that now means it is 25 ml of solution G. We transfer that solution into a clean conical flask. Now, the third procedure is we add 3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator to the solution in the conical flask. So that's 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop. You shake that solution. The next procedure is you titrate this solution with the solution in the burette until this pink color just starts to disappear. So now, as you can see, the pink color of the solution has started to disappear. Then that's now the end of the end point of titration. Then from there now, we determine now the volume of the titer. So you can see now the titer volume here. So always you check the lower meniscus. So that is 8 point. Is it 8.4, 8.3, or 8.5? So you can see the titer volume here is 8.5. Now you can repeat the procedure 2 more times so that you get the accurate volume. But for now, our volume that has completely reacted, or the end point, is 8.5. Now, this brings us to the end of our practical session. For more videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.